Ka MLA ka East Shillong constituency ka kong Ampareen lingdo. Kalaong bana kaliang jong kisangut ki MLA jong ka Congress kin sa Jubab ka shokos notice ka balapha da ka Aicc Hadien ka khatar Sngi. Laban kado hangne bana kaliang jong ka Aicc kilapan ngat ye ka suspension but ye ka shokos notice ye ki sangut ki MLA jong ka party Congress ki bakan thup ye ka MLA ka East Shillong ka kong Ampareen lingdo MLA ka Maulai uba proses ti saukme MLA ka Nongpo constituency uba Meral Bons im MLA ka Ramrai Jerngam constituency uba Kimfa bi Marbanyang bad MLA ka West Shillong uba Mohendro Rapsang Halor ka jingkan tho bakila le lendet ye ka party. Habayakran bat kilat pathai khubor na kaliang ka kong Ampareen kaloong bakin sa Jubab ka pabiang Hadien ka khatar Sngi ka shokos notice ka balapha da ka Aicc namar bakila ailat iki sangut ki MLA ban pensyai Halor ka ne ka benta. Habakali bakadon ka jingdawa na ki MLA banweng no yuba Vincent H. Bala nakakam presiden ka MPCC kalaong bakam kwa banyashim benta hakum kini ki Jubab kabha ba on ishwa kumtu. Habakali Halor ka suspension notice ka kong Ampareen kaloong don ka jingbam snguthu haka shithi namar bakilapan pau bakadon ka jingle lendet ka party da ki sangut ki MLA haka ba ki kramla ban pensyai bha ya ka daw bakilapan ngat haka suspension.
We have now reconciled with the mode of action. So we know now that it couldn't have gone any other way, since that is the line of action that they have taken. So we will leave it at that without contemplating further in the public domain, because at the end of the day we have our own individual opinions as well as the collective opinion of the group of 5. So surely we will take the best decision in the interest of all 5. We will revert back to you with a collective decision of the group of 5, because right now we are a group of 5.
And all the 5 stand together?
Sorry.
Like we correctly told you and we have informed you earlier also, we stick by each other and protect each other's life. Without diverging too much, pretty much there seems to be a little confusion in that, the bulk of the letter, because it was only mentioned that there was an anti-party omission by the 5, and it never dwelled at length specifying what was the quantification of this so-called disqualification or suspension. Sorry, not disqualification, suspension. We will revert back with a better statement after 12 days.
Why 12 days?
We have been given the liberty to consider our stand once again, so we'll revert back. Let us respond to that after we have collectively decided what action to take. And right now, this freedom that we feel is something which is a very new version of our service through the party to the people. So we will enjoy this freedom of 12 days, and then we will sit down to discussing an action and a path forward.